Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So thank you very much for everybody supporting this channel. Please like, share and subscribe, and please note that we are continuing with prepping information. The reason that we started this channel is to help South Africans prepare for a collapse. It has gone from maybe a collapse to the last 4 years a definite collapse. Whether it is because of Eskom, whether it is because of the government not being able to pay 28 million SASSA grants, whether it is because of infrastructure collapse, whether it is because of the National Democratic Revolution driven by the ANC, the EFF and the MK. There's just a whole list, whether it is because of land expropriation without compensation. There's a whole damn list why South Africa can collapse. And if you're not part of a prepping community, it is extremely difficult to get help and information. Even the smallest bit of information I've seen does help people to prepare a little bit better. Also note that because of this platform, we are slowly going over to Rumble. It's very similar to YouTube. It just allows you to speak your mind a bit better, because when I make a video, I have to watch what I'm saying. I have to bite my tongue because I can't be that honest with you. So thank you very much. So the reason why we have been focusing on the news so much, you all know that white people in South Africa the last 2 months got a bit of recognition. The world is seeing what's happening here, and we had to take advantage of that as much as we can. Sometimes a small video or small comment that goes out into the world makes a hell of a difference. Okay, now I'm not saying that these people should come and rescue us, because that is our own responsibility. And believe me, white South Africans have always been the minority. We can help ourselves. Okay, you watching this, you have got the balls and the right DNA, okay, to get us out of this shit. But we have to start prepping and making sure that when the final collapse comes, that we have a plan and that we know where we are going and how we will survive. Now, regarding the government and the media of South Africa, there are two things that has been brought or broadcasted to the world. The first one is, let me go backwards a little bit more. If we had to take these two specific issues, and let's say we take it to an impartial court, let's say in a perfect world we can go to a court somewhere and they would listen to the white South African side and they would listen to the government at this stage and the media of South Africa's side, okay? And they listened to this and they had to make a decision on these two different subjects. One is the fact that there is racial discrimination against white South Africans, and then the second thing is the land question. If we had to take these two facts to an impartial court, we would win both. I do not care what the ANC and the EFF and the MK says. They're fucking lying. And I also don't care what the media says. The media in South Africa is so corrupt and so disinformed. They are spreading misinformation like you cannot believe. It is crazy the shit that they actually put out there. And they are covering and trying to help the ANC. It is absolute madness. If we had to take both these cases on fact, on merit, on history, we would win both cases of racial discrimination against us and the land question. Unfortunately, we live in a country where the plan of the ANC is definitely to convert South Africa into a socialist communist state where they basically own everything and you just need to be happy. Sounds familiar, eh? You'll need to think who actually pays Cyril Ramaphosa to talk about South Africa in this way and trying to destroy South Africa like the way they are destroying South Africa. So please go to Rumble. We will be putting out a prepping series there from older videos and the newer videos to try and help everybody to prepare a little bit better. And then we're going to be talking a bit more about a Volksstaat or territorial self-determination, because that is within our constitution. Now I do know the ANC doesn't give a rat's ass about our constitution, but that is within our rights. And it is really time that we as white South Africans really talk about it. Thus far, AfriForum and Solidarity did mention this very lightly to the folks in Washington. And then one or two other individuals are talking about it as well. But they're not being openly, honestly, with in regards to this. Somebody needs to be a bit more aggressive about this. We need to talk about this. We need to look each other in the eyes, and we need to decide what are we going to do. Are we going to try and survive the National Democratic Revolution, or are we going to actually look after ourselves? Because really, this South Africa will not last very long. So please like, share and subscribe, and have a lovely weekend. God bless.